Hello, English learner. Welcome to our video lesson. Today, we'll learn some easy and helpful phrases for when you're at the bank, whether you're living abroad or just traveling. We upload 3 times a week, packed with useful content just for you. Thanks for joining us on this journey. In this lesson, you will learn how to make a checking account, how to create a savings account, and how to get a debit card. Are you ready? Let's get started. A checking account is like a bank pocket for putting in or taking out cash. You can also use it to send money online or buy things online or in shops. Usually people use checking accounts for everyday needs like paying rent, bills, or buying groceries.
Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Hello. I'd like to open a checking account, please.
Of course, I'd be happy to help with that. Do you have any specific type of checking account in mind, or would you like me to explain the options?
I'm not too sure about the options. Could you give me a quick overview?
Sure thing. We have a few types of checking accounts, each with different features. The basic one is our everyday checking, which is good for regular transactions. Then we have premium checking, which offers additional perks like higher interest rates and waived fees if you maintain a certain balance.
The everyday checking sounds like it might be best for me. What do I need to open an account?
You'll need to provide some personal information, such as your identification and address. We'll also need an initial deposit to get your account started.
Here's my ID and address, and I can deposit some cash to start the account.
Perfect. I'll get everything set up for you. Your checking account will be ready in no time.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. If you have any questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask.
Will do. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful day.
A savings account is like a safe place in a bank where you can put your extra money. The bank gives you a little extra money called interest just for keeping your money there. It's good for saving up for things you might need later, like a vacation or emergencies.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a savings account, please.
Absolutely. We can definitely help with that. Do you have a preference for the type of savings account, or would you like some information about our options?
I'm not too familiar with the options. Could you tell me about them?
Sure thing. We have a few types of savings accounts. Our basic one is called the regular savings account, which offers a standard interest rate. Then we have a high-yield savings account, which gives you a higher interest rate if you maintain a higher balance.
The regular savings account sounds good for me. What do I need to open one?
You'll need to provide some personal information, such as your identification and address. We'll also need an initial deposit to get your account started.
Here's my ID and address, and I can deposit some cash to start the account.
Perfect. I'll get everything set up for you. Your regular savings account will be ready in no time.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
A debit card is a plastic card linked to your bank account. It allows you to use the money you have in your account for buying things or withdrawing cash from an ATM.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm interested in creating a debit card for my account.
Certainly, I can help you with that. Have you previously had a debit card with us, or will this be your first one?
This will be my first debit card with your bank.
All right, to get started, I'll need some information from you. Could you please provide me with your full name, date of birth, and address?
Yes, my name is Joe Lau. My date of birth is May 10th, 1990. And my address is 123 Main Street.
Thank you, Joe. Now I'll set up your new debit card. Since this is your first card with us, we'll need to link it to your existing account. Do you have your account number handy?
Yes, it's 987654321.
Perfect. Let me just input that into our system. Now, regarding the design of your card, we offer a few options. Would you like to choose from our standard designs, or do you have something custom in mind?
I'd like to see the standard designs, please.
Of course. Here are our standard designs. We have options like classic blue, green landscapes, or abstract patterns. Which one appeals to you?
I like the classic blue design.
Great choice. Now, for security purposes, we'll need to set up a 4-digit PIN for your card. Do you have a preference?
Yes, I'd like to use 2578 as my PIN.
Noted. I'll activate your card and link it to your account with the provided PIN. Your new debit card is now ready to use. Is there anything else I can assist you with, Joe?
That's all for now. Thank you so much for your help.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Check out our website for plenty of enjoyable exercises covering different vocabulary and grammar topics. www.petrevonenglish.com. Take care and see you next time.